Yo, it's Zenzi. I startled Zanzi awake. It's 10:37 p.m. Así lo more. Just breaking into a little Spanish there for you. Zenzi. First half day of the Synchrony Symposium. And, whoa. Whoa, 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 whoa. I'm capable of leaping tall buildings in a single bound. Mentally, philosophically. I just got confirmation from an NIMH researcher working on transcranial magnetic stimulation. There's approaching traffic. We might have to dial down. I don't know. Okay. Y'all. 3 years ago, I did a video called African Mechanics, wherein I talk about having the clutch to gamma brainwaves is to have the meditation skills to go to theta brainwaves first. You have to have the clutch of theta brainwaves in order to get the gamma bursts. And this was just confirmed to me by an autism researcher. That's how it actually works. They know that. She told me something really interesting. So there's a little bit more about gamma. I'm going to really ask her, help me, who do I talk to about gamma? About being a living, I could talk to her about that. Living Phineas Gage here of gamma brainwaves. I don't need 10,000, I mean, you don't have to spend 10,000 hours being Tibetan. I want that to continue. There's no question. It's not like this is the contemplative arts of Tibetan Buddhism are crucial to this species, right? But there's a way for the rest of us to sort of biohack our own frequencies. So she's giving me a fact that Americans rev higher. We because of the 60 hertz all surrounding us, and it's the surrounding 50 hertz in Europe. There's a different baseline entrainment in the brain of all of us, and so that they literally have to strip out the data when they're doing EEGs. And ignore all of this. Well, what it is, Bose noise canceling headsets. It's the body canceling all of the noise coming in at 60 hertz. It's the body's just saying that is not part of our body. That is not an organic signal that we want to pay attention to. Nobody listen to that. Now, here I'm going to explain disease to you, frequency vibrational wise. when you're talking about electromagnetic waves and how they work, and they ripple like dropping a pebble in a pond out concentrically, because of constructive and destructive interference. The thing is if certain systems in the body that are communicating on certain hertz end up through doing the medians and the averages, and it's never quite direct, constructive and deconstructive interference, constructive and destructive. It's a very complex phenomenon, kind of like Brownian motion. Einstein's third paper, which I think is the one that's almost nobody thinks about, and I think it's the one that's the most important for understanding consciousness and reframing autism. Yeah, it's a physiological disorder. I'm so bold. I mean, it is. It just is. I mean, yes, the physiology and the brain interact, and I'm not saying the brain is not involved. But it's not just even that the body is, body up in this case, not brain down. There's more to the story. It's right there. And I don't think it's coming into researchers. I'm working my way up to getting to talking, to get in the space. She's got jobs here. She's doing her research, getting grants and fundings, and making everything. I don't want to take up too much time with my speculativeness, so I will follow up with her. That's the more if see. So what we want to do is figure out if we've got a problem, like let's take digestive problems. Maybe somehow the stomach and the small intestine and I don't know, liver, pancreas, just throw a lot of them in there. What if somehow all the vibrational frequencies, I'm talking about here's incoming food, it's so many carbs, we got some protein and fat, we need some enzymes, we need some insulin, we need some blah 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 blah. All that information is vibrational. It's happening throughout your body, and if those vibrations and you're off kilter and this and that, and you're eating industrialized shelf-stable food with preservatives and all this stuff that's not actual food, adjusting a lot beyond food, and not food, even the constituents of said thing that's maybe listed in the ingredients are they're just all too processed. The body doesn't know what to do. How do we digest all this brand new food? The answer is you don't. It goes into your lymphatic system and just the interplay between the lymphatic system and the fascia stops all that information from going anywhere, let alone to the places it's supposed to go on the right frequencies. In biochemical terms, I'm talking about inflammation under the auspices of bio-electromagnetism. The fascia. all, a substantial portion, a significant portion, a statistically almost inconceivable portion, even if it's like a third, chronic disease, that 1/3 or more or less, some nice percentage of chronic disease due to the fascia not impeding the flow of bioelectricity, which creates biomagnetism and then bio-electromagnetism. Is consciousness. So all of the brain results are mediated by how hard it is for your brain to be talking to your body. Your brain is not evolutionarily designed to sit in a cubicle for 40 hours a week. Brain is evolutionarily designed to know that your body is your best friend forever. We're ignoring our pain. We're ignoring that some of us we cannot keep to that 40-hour-a-week schedule. We don't have to explain it any more than that. Some of us, I loved when I was a consultant and I would do 12s, and 4. It was all, it was the commuting across country and everything. 12, 4. Still a lot more time. Right now, I'm lowering Tim Ferriss. I want to... 33-minute work week. Because I'm the Scottie Pippen of life-centric thinking. All right, harmony.